Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here. Today I'm walking you through a program called Brand Yourself. It is an online website, brandyourself.com. If you're not on here, you can create a free account by visiting the link in the description below. So click that link, get on here, create a free account. Then when you're ready to continue protecting yourself from identity thieves and hackers, you can become a premium member, just like I am here. So I've already done an overview video. You saw that, hopefully. If not, click on the card up here to check it out. Basically, they did a scan of one of my email addresses and found a whole bunch of information. Right now, I have 32 exposed private info on the data brokerage sites, 25 plus. So let's go there to protect my private info and click on it. Right now, they're in the process of removing 32 pieces of private info. And then it'll show your removal. It could take 1 to 45 days. And here's why it's at risk. You can have identity thieves, spammers, hackers, companies profit, stalkers, all kinds of stuff. And then there's all of the information down here on how they work. I'm not going to go through all that, but you can. Now, in progress right here, they're in process of removing 32 pieces of private info from 25 different places. So we've got all of these sites. Now, many of these I've done videos on how to remove your information. So how cool is it that you can get it all removed with one click? People have been commenting on my videos and asking for a service that's one-click service that does all these for years that I've been making these videos. And now it's finally here. It's a Shark Tank company. So we've got this. I'm protected and I have it on. This is ongoing protection. You can get this. Click in the link below in the description. But look, here we got White Pages, My Life, Ben Verified, Intellius, Instant Checkmate, Truth Finder. I've done videos on all of those. We've got Spokeo. I got a video on that one. Let's see. Look at all these other ones. Nuber, I did a video on that one. People Smart, I've done a video. Fast People Search. True People Search, I did a video there, but there are several here that I haven't done a video on. So feel free to check this out, get your free scan, and then enable that protection on cleaning up your information. I'm going to go here to the in progress. So we've got some different websites that's in progress. If you click on more info, you'll get the other information that's along with that. So I'm not going to show it because I don't want to expose other people's information. That's why some of this stuff may have been blocked out, because there are relatives or other people that it's not fair to put their information on YouTube and everywhere else. But you can see here it's in progress. It can take up to 45 days. We're on day 19 now, so no big deal. And I have no exposed information. Why? Because it is being removed. So that is it. I really hope that you get on here and protect your private information from hackers and identity thieves. Right now, I'm still at high risk, but that's because they're pending removal. After the 45 days, I really hope that that'll say removed and I'll be super low risk. You're going to find out because, like I said in the last video, I'm going through all of these services and I'm going to show you what each of them are so you can see them before you decide to purchase them. However, you can always create a free account and still see the services. You just won't be able to get them until you pay, and they're a la carte, so you can buy one, not all. You don't have to worry about that one bit. So if you're interested in protecting your online information, then you can check out the link in the description below. Until next time.